Hi there, my name's Ryan. I'm in a 2015 Toyota Highlander. We had a check engine light come on with the orange triangle that popped up here. I popped it, I got one of these code readers off of Amazon. I've gone in here, had a look at the control module. It wasn't actually, when I went in to read codes, it was not showing me any stored or pending codes, but I still had the check engine and maintenance come up. What I did is you can reset that through by holding down the odometer reset and then cycling through this guy. So foot off the pedal, so you're not actually starting the vehicle. So hold down the odometer, cycle on and off through the engine start, and it'll do a maintenance reset of the computer, which will make your light disappear. And there are some hypotheses online that in some cases the maintenance will come on for bad fuel. So I'm running on hoping that's the case here. So I put some fresh gas in here, and I'm going to order some fuel line cleaner, which I'll pop in with my fresh tank and drive it down. And if this maintenance light doesn't come back on, I will post this video, and that will, at least in my case, have been the remediation for the maintenance block here, which is a fresh tank of gas, some fuel line cleaner, and a reset of the computer. So thanks for watching.